This project will generate direct employment to 1,000 persons and indirect employment to 2,000 persons, and not only save the future of this port, but also accelerate India's journey towards becoming a global maritime power. Tamil Nadu's coastline has always whispered stories of trade, courage, and civilization. From the pearls fisheries of Kurkai to the majestic ship of Pompuhar, this land has long held a dialogue with the seas. The last 11 years have marked a decisive transformation, an era of tangible, visible, and people-centric maritime development. Under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the maritime vision for Tamil Nadu has leaped from intent to implementation. When Modi ji speaks of Viksit Bharat 2047, he speaks not of abstract ideas, but of dockyards buzzing with ships, green energy powering our ports, blue economy uplifting our coastal communities, and Tamil Nadu emerging as a key pillar in India's global maritime standing. In July this year, Honorable Prime Minister dedicated and laid the foundation of project worth of rupees 4,900 crores in Tuticorin and its surrounding areas. This included the modernization of Tuticorin Airport, expansion of highways, strengthening of rail connectivity, and the commissioning of the North Cargo berth at Tuticorin Seaport. Let us look at what we have achieved in just over a decade. I believe you being the most sensible citizen of the country, learned section of the country, you will definitely make an assessment impartially. In the last 11 years of India's journey was unique under the dynamic and visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Because of his principle, cooperative federalism, taking everybody along, he has made India proud to be one of the fastest growing economy in the world.